Travel is a force for good and it's something that we all need. Hi, I'm Kit. I'm one of the co-founders of Plandora. So today we are shooting our final community update for the year.
So we're going to do something different.
Yeah, so tell me about Plandora.
That's my job.
We had several iterations of the product over many different periods. So when we finally launched the 2.0, we knew that things were, serious, and we are still figuring out things to get the growth engine growing. And doing it in such a short period of time and without a lot of budget, so really challenging.
What is the most memorable feedback you've received from a user?
So the most memorable feedback came from Farah. So Farah, if you're watching this, thank you for that. It has actually gotten her to be lazier in a good way, because we managed to actually save a lot of time for her.
One of the things that I really like, that I feel like super convenient and easy for users to use, is DMing Plandora our travel reels. And I just want to know, how did that idea come about?
So it first started as a problem. I'm on social media quite a lot. This was something that I personally face because I watch a lot of reels and I save a lot of reels. When I travel plan, I have to go through each and every single one of these reels, and I have to watch it, read it, and then put it into my Excel or sheets to plan, right? So I felt like, wow, that's such a hassle to go through that whole process. So imagine if you save thousands of reels and posts. We want to solve that problem, and we tested that in March with about 90 people in a week. I would say a good 90% of these travelers actually face this problem.
This month's other update is Shared Bucket, which is where you and your travel companions can DM to the same bucket, right?
Right.
Was that part of the original plan, or later on only?
No, it wasn't.
Oh.
It wasn't part of the original plan. So that also solves another problem. If let's say we are traveling in a group of 5, for example, imagine a bucket and it's shared by many people, and people are just throwing things into the same bucket, and what is useful in the Reels and TikTok is already extracted and retrieved for the planner. So the planner don't need to go through all the content, and now they already have the essence of what's important and what's useful in the Reels and TikTok. So yeah, it just saves people more time.
It's true. It's a genius idea, I was going to say.
Now I'd like to ask you,
Oh.
what is your favorite feature of Plandora?
Ooh. Right off the top of my head, it would be Quick Plan, because I'm an amateur planner and I'm a bit indecisive in that way, and Quick Plan does it all for me, and then I just have to move things around. So definitely that. But this month's other update, which is the Themes and Personalization, the moment I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I don't know how to describe it, suddenly I felt joy when planning. Nothing wrong with the previous design.
Okay.
But now that I can choose the color, choose the background, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. And I felt like what you've been saying, the delight in travel planning, I really felt it once it was mine. Everybody's plan can be their own.
So it's personalized to you.
Yeah, correct.
That's what you're saying, right?
Correct. I didn't know that mattered to me so much, honestly, until I had it. And I was like, oh, this feature, very nice.
I'm glad that you actually found it that way. One of the 3 parts of building Plandora is delightfulness, and definitely we hope that you like it.
The real thing we're trying to say is, if you haven't seen it yet, you better go and try it out for yourself.
Yeah, just try it. Tell us your feedback. What do you think about it? And if that feature actually made your travel planning experience more delightful. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, one final question. What is next for Plandora in 2025?
Wow, there's a lot of things that's going to happen in 2025. At the top of my head, the 3 things that will happen are: 1, the first is the DM to Plandora function will get increase of accuracy, richness, and support. More platform support that's coming. We know that you have been asking for more different platforms across Xiaohongshu, Google Maps, YouTube. So those are the things that will be coming for the DM portion of the functionality. The second is a mobile app. So We also have a lot of requests coming in on a mobile app. So that's something that we are definitely heavily looking and leaning towards in, so that our users, you guys, will be able to get a mobile experience. You'll be able to bring Plandora around during your travel. So that's something that we'll be looking into as well. And the third is the planning blocks. So if you look into the planner, blocks is one of our key components. So we'll be enriching more functionalities on the block level itself. So those are the three things that will be coming in 2025, and a slew of a lot more other things as well.
Well, I can't wait. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for supporting us. On behalf of the whole team, I just want to give a heartfelt thank you. You guys have given us an adventure of a lifetime for building this product for you. So thank you so much for using Plandora, and we'll see you in 2025.
If you would like to see what we've been working on, a recap, you can click the link in the description box and you'll be taken to a very special place. Until next time, see you in 2025.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.